Okay, hello traders. We're looking at the pound New Zealand. It's one of the trades that we've mentioned in our Telegram group. This is the big picture. We're looking at the 4-hour chart right now. As you can see, we're quite clearly in a downtrend. We've been trading these up moves in this downtrend. This is this week, this is last week, this is the week before. So take a good look at the chart. What we're going to do is we're going to drop down to the hourly chart, and on the hourly chart what you're going to notice is that you can see these setups a little bit more clearer. See, it didn't look like much of a movement on the 4-hour chart, but as you can see on the hourly chart there is significant movement. When you earn anything from 50 to 150 pips, that's pretty good as a day trader, sort of semi swing trader. Typically we want to hold on to our trades for 2 to 3 days, sometimes go a bit longer, but technically that's just within that sort of parameter. What we're going to do, have a look at the chart. What we're actually trading here is the move that occurred last week, I believe. So this is this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So going back to last week, that's the move we're looking at. This is the move that we're currently in, and have a look. I'm going to put the lipstick on, and then we'll see how we traded that move there. So just a second as I do that, and prior to doing that, as always, we'll just read the disclaimer. Trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Before deciding to invest, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, the level of experience and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. You should be aware of all the risks associated with the foreign exchange trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. Just a second, guys. Let's put the lipstick on. Okay, so here we have it, guys. The lipstick has been put on. Notice, as I said, look, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up. We're trading the up, up, okay? We're trading the up, up, okay? Down, down, down. We're trading literally of the up, up. Okay, this trade was mentioned in the group on Monday. Nonetheless, this is the trade that we're looking at. So we're going to focus in intently on that trade. So we're doing, as you know, we're on the 15-minute chart. That's where we're trading from. This is the blue line here, indicates the beginning of the week. So here we see on Tuesday, we actually get a move. Let's have a look at what happened here. So our trend line has been put in position, and we get a break of the trend line. All well and good. What do? We put our fibs across that. We're going to wait for the pullback. Here's where we enter the trade. It's a pending order. We're not going to sit forever and watch. Either the trade is going to work or it's not going to work, okay? Boom, it works. If it doesn't work, boom. We'll have our stop loss in this area. Oh, well, there you are. Look, we'll have our stop loss in this area down here. So, and that's how we mitigate our risk. Okay, we're not gamblers here. We enter the market with a specific stop loss, risk management, a specific target, and if we make twice the amount of money we lose, or we lose half the amount of money we invested. And let me explain what that means. They talk about 2-to-1 risk reward. If you're getting in here at the 50% fib, for example, that's 48 pips you'll lose. But if you go to the 150, you're making 96. Okay, so 47 pounds, 96 pounds, 470 pounds, 900. You get how it works. Okay, it's another beautiful trade. If we look intently at the chart, what we're seeing here, as always, this is the pound New Zealand, by the way, 6 things on the chart, right? Trend line break, stop loss, enter trade, target 1, target 2. I have repeatedly said, because it's the summer, we don't anticipate that the trade's going to go all the way to target. I'm literally taking profits off at the 127. Better to get all of something than for you to think it's going to go up here, leave the trade sitting for 2 or 3 days, and then find out that your stop loss gets hit and you've lost out on all this profit. So have a strategy for entering, have a definite idea as to when you're going to get out the trade, when the trade is no longer working for you, such that you make some money on every trade setup that you take. This is textbook. It's in the book, which we encourage you to obtain. We discussed this in our Telegram group. You're welcome to join us there. I want to thank you guys for listening to this video. I ask you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and give us a like so that more people can get, or Google's, YouTube's, algorithm will pick up our videos and more people can get access to what we have on offer here. Read the description to find out more and learn more about the story and the background of the story to these exceptionally beautiful trades. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next trade recording. Alrighty, thank you again. Bye-bye.